Bonjour! Bonjour!
No.
Time for bladder check. Check.
So it's a show?
It's a lifestyle.
It's a religion.
My emotions! My emotions!
I'm still French.
Ouais, c'est pas faux.
I'm a woman, Mary. I can be as contrary as I choose.
Non, moi je crois qu'il faut que vous arrêtiez d'essayer de dire des trucs.
Hello, hi, I'm Laura. I'm gonna watch Avatar The Last Airbender Season 2, Episode 20. I just watched the episode 19. If you want to see my reaction video about that, I'm gonna put the link into the eye. As you can see, I have mixed feelings about the end of this season 2. I'm excited and at the same time I'm really stressed, especially because I just watched the episode 19, so I know what happened and what can happen during this episode 20. I'm scared of that. I have also a lot of mixed feelings, you know, like I'm really excited to be back with the show because during 2 weeks I didn't watch any new episode and I missed it a lot. I'm really excited also because I want to discover what is gonna happen, you know. I'm excited to continue this show. I'm stressed because I think that a lot of bad stuff can happen, and you know the episode with Jet dying, I still can't believe that he died. For me, maybe he's not really dead, you know. You know my rule, eyes closed, body cord, and then I can believe that someone is dead. I think that I'm never gonna have that in Avatar The Last Airbender. But this episode with Jet really switched me. I'm really feeling insecure now with Avatar The Last Airbender. I have the impression that they can kill everyone really quick now. I'm scared a lot for a lot of different characters. It's also because of that I'm scared. Because of what happened during the last episode, because we are in a complicated situation, like Katara is captured, Toph is not captured anymore, but she's far away. The guys are coming back, but they are coming back into a city where Azula and the girls are faking, you know, to be the Kyoshi warriors and made an alliance with the Daily and his soldiers, you know, like these fucking traitors, so they can attack from the inside, maybe, to take Ba Sing Se. I have the impression that Ba Sing Se is gonna be taken during this episode. We had Aang trying to open all of his chakra and he managed to open 6 of them, but not the 7th one because he felt that Katara was in danger. That's gonna be an issue because it means that he didn't learn how to deal with his avatar state, so maybe he's gonna do something bad during this episode because of that, you know, because the avatar state is gonna take everything about him, about what he's doing and all. I'm afraid of that. I'm afraid of Aang doing something bad that he's never gonna forgive himself for that. I'm afraid of a lot of things, and even more now that Azula and the girls, they know everything. They know that an eclipse is coming and that we planned to attack during that moment. So now they can be prepared for this attack, and they know also that Zuko and Iroh are right there. They were happy, they were living a good moments together, and they are preparing themselves to go to the palace and to fall into Azula's trap. I'm afraid of what Azula is gonna do with them. I was gonna say she can't kill them, but she can. She really can. I mean, when she was surrounded, you know, by the 6 of them during this episode, it was not Zuko alone, but the episode after that, you know, the episode The Chase. She tried to kill Iroh. So see, I'm excited, really excited, but I'm scared, really scared. I'm also beginning to feel melancholic, which is weird because I have still an entire season to discover, and this is not even, you know, the end of the season 2. I have still this episode also to discover. It's too soon to feel melancholic, but like I said during my intro of the last episode, it's because of the fact that I know that this last season is gonna be the last one the show is out since a long time, the show is finished since a long time, so I didn't prepare myself enough for the fact that it was a show with only 3 seasons. I began this binge watching and maybe I'm too used to long binge watching like it was the case for The Last Kingdom, for Battlestar Galactica, for Peaky Blinders or The Expanse. I'm too used to binge watch shows which are already really long and to have plenty of seasons to binge watch like that. I'm emotional during these days. I have a lot of emotions, high emotions, more than usually. In my personal life, I had a lot of big emotions, sad ones and good ones, so for this show that I love, for these characters that I love, and for this episode right now, which is gonna be a lot, my emotions can be also a lot and a real mess. Like it was the case for the last episode. Really, during the last episode, I was proud, I was scared, I lost, I cried, I had plenty of emotions, all of the emotions. So yes, for this last episode, I'm scared of Aang not dealing well with the Avatar state and doing something bad because of that. I don't want him to feel guilty, I don't want him to blame his feelings for Katara because of that. I'm scared for Iroh and Zuko, what Azula is gonna do to them. I'm scared for what Zuko is gonna do because I think I said it during the last episode that it's time to choose your road, to choose a side also maybe. Was lost during a lot of episodes and he was conflicted during a lot of episodes, and during the last one it felt better, but still I think that he has to make a choice. He has to express his feelings and he has to also, I think that he understood that what he really wants, it's not to be daddy's boy and all of that, it's to get back his honor, it's to prove himself to himself. Do you understand what I mean? Like, I think that during all of this time he thought that he was not good enough for his dad, for his family, but also for himself, for what he could do into his life and all. He didn't know what he could do and who he could be and who he wanted to be. Now he knows that, he understood all of that, thanks to Iroh. But now you have to make a choice. You have to decide what you want to be. To decide to choose a path. And I'm excited about it, I'm scared about it, I'm waiting for it since so long, and I think that it's gonna happen during this episode. So I'm excited and scared at the same time for Zuko, for that. For Iroh, what Azula can do to Iroh. Katara also is in jail, and for the future of Ba Sing Se, I'm afraid. It's weird, you know, because the 2 last episodes of the season 1, it was a battle, us against our enemies, we were fighting, we had to win, that's it. Right there, it's really more sneaky, you know, more less obvious, direct, it's really sneaky. I don't like that. It's not so honest, it's not so direct, it's really like just sneaky moves against sneaky moves, acting in shadows, you know, like, I don't like that. I'm scared, I'm excited, I'm a lot of different emotions, and more than usually. So this last episode is gonna be something, really. I'm gonna watch it right now. Again, if you don't know it, I have a Patreon on which you can have the episodes sooner, at least 2 weeks sooner right now, with an extended reaction, or maybe a full reaction part for important episodes for which I'm reacting a lot. I think that for the episode 19 I'm gonna put the full reaction part, and maybe also for this episode 20. I can't know before the episode, but at the end of it I know, and you have already the information in the description if you can be interested by that. Okay, let's go for this episode 20. I'm trying to reassure myself about what I'm about to see, and at the same time I don't know how to reassure myself. What I can tell to myself, like, it's gonna be okay, everyone is gonna survive. No, I said it, I'm not feeling safe anymore with this show for everyone to survive at the end. Really, Jet's death had a big impact on me. Like Appa's journey, these two things during this season 2 had a really big impact on me. I'm not feeling safe anymore watching this show for our characters. Tough!
This coup must be swift and decisive. The Earth King and each of the 5 generals must be taken out simultaneously. If I sense any disloyalty, any hesitation, I will snuff it out. That is all.
You're brilliant, but you're so cruel.
Yeah, I thought you were gonna make that one guy pee his pants.
Many times I imagine myself here. But
I'm feeling okay, I'm feeling okay.
Destiny is a funny thing.
It sure is, Uncle.
So how did it go with the guru? Did you master the avatar state?
No,
It went great with the guru.
that's it, you closed one of your chakra. The truth one.
Something's not right.
It's tea time.
Did I ever tell you how I got the nickname, the Dragon of the West?
I'm not interested in a lengthy anecdote.
Shut up and listen. You knew it, Zuko.
I'm tired of running. It's time I face Azula.
Are you ready?
Are you going to challenge me to an Agni Kai?
Yes.
No thanks.
It's your sister. You have to fight but not to kill.
And since then, she's been off with your friends, the Kyoshi Warriors.
You're so blind.
Zuko! Someone's at the door.
I know.
It's an old friend of mine. Glad to see you're okay.
I need your help.
What? It's so good.
You guys know each other? I met him in the woods once.
They're friends.
Then he gave me tea and some very good advice.
I love everything that's happening.
Then we'll work together to fight Azula and save Katara and Zuko.
Oh!
There is good inside it.
Good
And it
fighting
changed.
isn't enough. Working together is our best chance.
Longfang are plotting a coup. They're going to overthrow the Earth King.
I have so much hope.
He's really taking charge.
She's in control
Terrifying.
since the beginning. You're not.
But when Aang shows up to help me, you can finally have him in your little Fire Nation clutches.
Katara.
You have no idea what this war has put me through.
And him also. Shut up, Katara, please. I love you, but
Took my mother away from me.
same.
That's something we have in common.
There is an ancient city down there.
Let me the time to live this moment. I'm sorry, I'm too excited.
Tara used to give pretty good advice.
The two of you can be friends.
I met that this guru, I had to let go of someone I love.
Protection and power are overrated. I think you are very wise to choose happiness and love.
Air General Hal.
Oh, your instinct, Sokka.
The coup is happening right now.
2, 3, 4, and 5. She has a crush on you, Sokka.
This fight is over. Get the ball out of
Not Momo.
Eileen, arrest the Fire Nation princess.
The divine right to rule is something you're born with. The fact is, they don't know which one of us is going to be sitting on that throne.
No.
You've beaten me at my own game.
Don't flatter yourself. You were never even a player.
Drop the
I'm
mic.
sorry, or I would imagine the face of the enemy. It was your face.
No.
Face. I see. I realized I'm free to determine my own destiny, even if I'll never be free of my mark.
Maybe you could be free of it.
For all scars, you can do it?
This is water from the Spirit Oasis at the North Pole.
Can you do that?
Hey!
Too soon. Oh! I don't know. If I want it or not.
We'll catch up with you. You are stronger and wiser and freer than you have ever been. And now you have come to the crossroads of your destiny. It's time for you to choose.
Each time you and I roll.
You can still redeem yourself.
The kind of redemption she offers is not for you.
No, it's making you a slave, their slave to this family.
At the end of this day, you will have your honor back.
Not like
You will
that.
have Father's love.
We don't
You
care.
have everything you want.
You don't know what he wants, and neither does he.
Begging me, look into your heart and see what it is that you truly want.
Zuko, I believe in you. Ooh, the two sides of you. Wow, that was so well done. He's with you. He's not. He's not? No, Zuko, no! It can't be. Zuko. Tell me you're bluffing. Zuko, all of that. It's not for nothing. So well done, Gatara. Zuko, I'm lost. I'm so much.
The only way is to let her go.
What? I don't understand. You gave up on her just right now. She's looking at you with his eyes. Fuck you, Azula.
You've got to get out of here. I'll hold them off as long as I can.
You're gonna fight Zuko? No! Zuko? Say my role. You're gonna use it now. For Aang, I'm glad. And also because I'm never gonna have to wonder if I want to see Zuko without the scar or not. Oh, guys.
Fire Nation has conquered Ba Sing Se.
I betrayed Uncle.
No, he betrayed you. When you return home, Father will welcome you as a war hero. Today, you restore your own honor.
Zuko, how can you believe so after all of what you learned about yourself and...
Has fallen.
Zadia? No. Just no. Don't look at me like that and let me cry a little, let me leave a little my emotions. I'll be with you in some minutes. I'm almost mad, you know. During the episode, I couldn't believe that Zuko was doing what he was doing. I was like, it has to be a plan, you are bluffing. No, you're not doing what you're doing right now, like, you're preparing something. You're not joining your forces with Azula. Your sister who hurt you during so many times because she told you that you could restore your honor and have your father's love. Didn't you hear anything that Iroh said? Didn't you learn anything from all of this journey, from all of these 2 seasons, fucking seasons? Zuko, fuck you! That's it, I'm mad. During that moment, I was shocked and I was like, no, it can't be real. After that, I was disappointed. That's it, I'm mad. Zuko! Ooh! I want to take you by the ears, you know, and to tell you, what are you doing, boy? Zuko. And you know what? Which is shocking me the most, you know? Okay, she managed Azula to enter into his head, to make him believe that he could join her, he could restore his honor by doing that, he could have his father's love just like that by doing that. Like, really, Zuko, you think so that you restored your honor by doing that? That your father is gonna suddenly love you? I'm not thinking about capturing the avatar or something like that. No, your father one day loving you? No, never gonna happen. You believed in all of what Azula said. She managed to make you believe so. Okay. No, but okay. Let's say okay. Okay to that. You're fighting Aang and Katara after spending that moment with Katara. When you were honest with each other, you said strong stuff to each other about your life, about what you are doing right now, what you think about life right now. Okay, you are forgetting that. Okay, you are fighting Aang and Katara, old habits, you know. Okay. Which is killing me the most and which is making me so mad, it's when Iroh is coming. When Iroh is helping Aang and Katara, you are not telling to yourself that what you are doing is wrong. You are seeing your uncle doing that. You are seeing your uncle being captured and you are letting it like that. You are letting your uncle doing that on his own, proving yourself that you are wrong, being captured, and you are doing nothing to protect your uncle just right there, Zuko. Where is the Zuko from the last episode, the episode 19? I said it during my review of the episode 19. I loved this episode for Zuko and Iroh relationship because for once, you know, it was the contrary. For once, it was Zuko who was there for Iroh, who was supporting Iroh, who was proud for Iroh, who was proud of Iroh, who was happy for Iroh, being happy, you know, for once. It was the contrary, you know, normally Iroh was doing that for Zuko, and for once it was the contrary. Zuko was doing that for Iroh. You did that during the last episode? And just because your fucking sister, who doesn't like you, who hurt you, who manipulated you, who tried to kill Iroh, your fucking sister who did all of that to you, to your uncle during so many years, just because she talked to you during 10 minutes, you are forgetting everything that you learned, you are forgetting everything that you did, you are forgetting all of what Iroh taught you, you are forgetting that discussion with Katara, you are forgetting all of what you wanted to be to change and all. And, most important, you are betraying Iroh. That's where we are standing right now, Zuko. That's why right now I'm okay disappointed, but I'm fucking mad at you. That's it. I don't want to take his ears anymore. I want to slap him. Fuck you, Zuko. Oh, I would have never imagined that I would say that about Zuko, to Zuko. I told you during the intro of the last episode that the weather was changing in just some minutes. I think that you saw that during the episode it was shiny and all. Like really I was almost like I'm gonna close my blinds, and right now that's it. It's gonna rain. I think that a storm is coming. It's perfect because it's going with my mood right now. You're talking for me. Fucking fuck you! Azula, Zuko, all of you! Ta mère! They took Ba Sing Se. I knew it. I said it, that was one of my biggest fears for this episode. I couldn't see any solution for them to not take Ba Sing Se. They were attacking from the inside, making an alliance with the Daily and his soldiers. The Daily, you know, who was like that, I'm coming out of my chair and now I'm gonna take the throne. Guy, if you didn't think about the fact that she manipulated you and she was really in control and she was really gonna take the throne because for years, for centuries, they are trying to take Ba Sing Se, you are just fucking stupid, and I'm not, you know, sorry for you that you are not taking the throne. I'm tired of stupid people on a throne, like this stupid Earth King. So blind, so useless. They took Ba Sing Se. The Fire Nation just took Ba Sing Se. Azula and Zuko took Ba Sing Se. And what now? The Fire Lord is gonna come and he's gonna... Oh, you did a great job. No, he's not gonna do that. He's a fucking asshole who doesn't care about his kids. He's gonna come and he's gonna say, yes, it's mine now. That's it. And during that time, you're gonna... You think that you're gonna work with your sister when in fact you are working for your sister. And same when your dad is gonna come. Fuck. I'm glad that Sokka, Katara, Aang, Momo and Appa, they managed to escape. Katara, you know, she kept that water for Aang to save him. I'm glad that Aang managed to handle the Avatar state. I'm not sure of what it means, you know, for his feelings for Katara. During that moment, you know, it was what he did, you know, renouncing to her like that, giving up on her like that. It was, I'm giving up on you right there to save you because I have to do that, I have to master the Avatar state, but it was also like, I'm giving up on my feelings for you. That's gonna have a big importance, you know, for the future, that's gonna have consequences. But if he wants to master the Avatar state for real and for the end of everything, you know, he has to renounce to her. That's wrong because, you know, at first when he said that he had a crush on her and all, you saw my reactions. I was not shipping them and I was saying, I don't know why I'm not shipping them. Maybe it's because of the fact that I think that the Avatar can't have a love relationship, like it's against his role. The fact that you have to save the world and all, I have trouble to see that possible, you know, between the two of them, because for me, he had an important mission and he couldn't have a love relationship at the same time. I thought of that. You took the entire season to make me believe into a potential love relationship between these two. I said, I don't know in which episode it was, but the fact that it was a slow burn ship and I was waiting for it to happen, and that's it. I was almost tired, you know, that it was not happening. I wanted them to be together. You made me think and say that, and right now you're gonna tell me that it's not possible? They can't be together? You're playing with my heart right there. But she saved Aang and that's great. Azula, what she did to Aang. She's stupid in a way, Azula, you know, for doing that. No, she's not. Does she know? I I'm sorry. I was like, she's stupid because she knows that if she will kill the Avatar will come back, you know, but in another body, in another person and all. But we learned that if Aang is killed when he's into that Avatar state, he can never come back. The Avatar can never come back in anyone. Does she know that, Azula? I mean, if she knows it, it means that she's fucking brilliant and clever and she knew the right moment to try to kill Aang. But if she doesn't know it, she's so stupid because it means that she wanted to kill the Avatar without thinking about the fact that the Avatar could come back in another body. She knew it, she's brilliant. She didn't know it, she's stupid. It only can be one of these things. I think that she's brilliant. But how could she know? We learned that because of Roku as a spirit. She's not talking with the spirits. And Ozai doesn't know that and didn't learn that to his daughter. No one knows it. No? Someone else knows it? I didn't think about it during the episode, you know, the fact that as the Avatar, if he was hurt or killed, it was forever, that the Avatar wouldn't come back as Aang or as anyone else. He's okay, he's alive, we're okay. No, we're not okay because they took Ba Sing Se, because, you know, at the end of the season 1, we won. At the end of this season 2, we lost. I have the impression that since a long time we are losing a lot. Is it just me or the Earth King? I really hope that episode 1 of the next season and we're gonna be over with him, like, you're useless, we need to do something else. So they captured the Kyoshi warriors, they captured Bumi and they took his city, and now they took Ba Sing Se. And they captured the 5 generals. How can we be prepared for the eclipse now? To attack during the eclipse? With what forces? The water tribes. With the water tribes we're gonna attack? Because the Earth Kingdom soldiers and all, they are so, you know, far, you know, in a lot of different cities and all. How can you take them to fight together if you're not the king? If you, I mean, we have the king, but a king without his city, you know, without anything which is making him the king, is it really a king? And it's that king, a blind, useless king. We really want that king to be the one who is gonna give orders to people to attack, to put strategic things into his hands. Let him play with his bear and that's all. I'm desperate for our future. We lost everything and we lost Zuko. Our guys, you know, Katara, Aang and Sokka, all of their journey, okay, they're gonna continue. He's gonna learn maybe firebending. He has to learn more about, you know, the Avatar state and the spirit world. That's still my opinion. So maybe we're gonna go back to see the guru. Zuko, for now, okay, I want you to see that you're wrong, and especially with your anchor, and after that, with all of what you are doing right now, which is against all of what you decided to say no to maybe you can switch back again. But even if Zuko is going back to reason, even if Aang is learning about the Avatar state, about the spirit world, about firebending and all, still we have to have forces, you know, to attack during the eclipse. You don't have any forces. You don't have anything right now. That's it, I'm desperate. And it's raining. Really, you and I, the weather, we're on the same page. I'm a mess with a lot of different emotions. You're a mess with a lot of different weathers in just one day. I'm back with being disappointed. I'm not mad anymore, I'm back with being disappointed. Did you expect me to react like that during this episode? Did you know? You saw me during all of these episodes, you know, supporting Zuko like that, being so glad that Iroh was saying to Zuko what I was thinking and all. You knew that I was gonna react like that, right? Are you happy? Are you glad? Are you proud of yourself? I want to be mad at you, but I can't. Okay, I don't think that I'm gonna watch more episodes of Avatar today, and I think that it's better. I need a break, you know, to come back with a better mood and with more hope for our guys, for Zuko, and for the situation. So it's all for Avatar for you and for me, and it's all for the season 2. So it's all for me for now. So bye for now. Bye. Oh, that's it. I'm into a bad mood now.
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine? Great.